Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. Welcome to my YouTube channel and I am Upend, and in this video today we are going to discussing about compare block type of its instruction. What is how many types of compare block instruction in PLC? So engineers, let's see. You have to go to compare block and then you have to limit marks is comparison for equal, not equal, less, greater than, less than or equal to, equal, greater than or equal. So I have made some content on types of instruction in compare instruction in PLC. So let's see. So here you see that watch that types of compare block in instruction. Actually, there are 8 types of compare block instruction in RS Logic 500 English software. First is limit test, and first is limit, and second is marks comparison for equal. Second is marks comparison for in short form it is known as MEQ, and third is equal. It is in short form it is EQU, and fourth is not equal, NEQ, and fifth is less than, LES, and sixth is greater than, GRT, and seventh is less than or equal, LEQ, and eighth is greater than or equal, GEQ. Means actually you have see that there are 8 compare instruction in PLC, and in I have to go to RS Logic's 500 English software. Then you have to also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 8 instruction in compare block. Compare block. So in short terms, you are going to discuss about. We are going to discuss about how many types of compare block instruction. First is limit, and second is MEQ, and third is LES, less than, and fourth is less than or equal, fifth is greater than, and sixth is GEQ, greater than or equal, seventh is mark comparison for equal, and eighth is limit test. Firstly, in our I have covered about equal. EQ, test whether two values are equal. Means in from test the value, both values are equal. बोथ वैल्यूज आर इक्वल, मीन्स दोनों वैल्यू समान होने चाहिए. मान लीजिए इधर 2 है तो इधर भी 2 होनी चाहिए, तो इट इज नोन एज इक्वल इंस्ट्रक्शन इन पीएलसी. एंड एनी क्यू, नॉट इक्वल, मीन्स मानिए कि नॉट इक्वल, टेस्ट वेदर वन वैल्यू इज नॉट इक्वल टू सेकंड वैल्यू. Both value are not equal, one value is greater in ninth and other value is 8. These values are not equal, so it shows the not equal instruction. मान लीजिए आपका दूसरा वैल्यू 9th है और दूसरा वैल्यू 8 है, तो ये दोनों आपस में बराबर नहीं, तो इसी को नॉट इक्वल वैल्यू कहते हैं. तो सोर्स ए में, सोर्स बी में, सोर्स ए में 9 और सोर्स बी में 8, देन इट्स shows you not equal instruction. And third is less than, so test whether one value is less than to other second value. Means you have to know that first value is less than and other value is, one value is less than and other value is high, means not equal to first value. Means one value is less and other value is greater, so it is known as less than value. Means value is less than on other value, so it is known as less than value. LEQ, लेस देन और इक्वल, मीन्स आपके पास टेस्ट वेदर वन वैल्यू इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू सेकंड वैल्यू. सो वन वैल्यू इज लेस देन और इक्वल या इक्वल टू सेकंड वैल्यू. एक्चुअली आपका जो भी वैल्यू है ठीक, वो आपका कम होनी चाहिए और या उसके बराबर होनी चाहिए दूसरे वैल्यू से। मान लीजिए 7 है, ठीक, 7 और दूसरा वैल्यू 8 है, ठीक, तो 7 8 के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए और जब वो 8 हो जाएगा तो लेस देन और इक्वल हो जाएगा। सो ये आपका बताता है लेस देन और इक्वल। GRT ग्रेटर देन, टेस्ट वेदर वन वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन अनदर, मीन्स जो ग्रेटर इंस्ट्रक्शन है ग्रेटर देन, टेस्ट व्हेन one value is greater than means one value is greater than the other value, मीन्स मेरे पास 8 है और उसके पास 10 है, तो वो मुझसे ज्यादा है तो वो ग्रेटर देन है, यानी एक वैल्यू दूसरे वैल्यू से ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, तो वो आपको ग्रेटर देन इंस्ट्रक्शन आपको बताएगा। एंड सिक्स इज GUQ, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल, मीन्स वो वैल्यू आपको उससे दूसरे वैल्यू से ज्यादा होना चाहिए या उसके बराबर होनी चाहिए। सो इट्स सो ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल, like as you have to just 9 and 11, and 9 is less and 11 is greater, so greater is a greater than, and when it reach to 9, so it is also known as greater than or equal to. And last second is MEQ, marks comparison for equal, so it is known as MEQ, means test person of two values to see whether they are equal, compare data through a marks, मीन्स कंपेयर टू वैल्यूज, सी वेदर दे आर इक्वल, दो वैल्यूज को आपस में कंपेयर करना है कि वो मतलब आपस में बराबर हैं कि नहीं, मीन्स बिटवीन दे आर इक्वल या और नॉट, compare data through a marks and compare the data through a marks, and in mark comparison for equal, it's actually takes a hexadecimal value, it takes hexadecimal value, and hexadecimal in first person you have to put hexadecimal value, and second person you have to put hexadecimal value, and it compare the block from marks instruction, it compare the block from marks instruction. Like as I have to, let's see, RS Logis 500, I have to open it. Then firstly I have to take one rung. Where user? Here I have to take one rung. Then I have to go to compare instruction. Here I have to choose marks equal. So it is a source and marks and compare. You have to know that here two portion are equal and compare by marks. टेस्ट यानी दो पोर्शन को आपस में कंपेयर करता है जब इक्वल होंगे, ठीक, और कंपेयर डाटा थ्रू ए मार्क्स, उस डाटा को आपको कंपेयर करता है मार्क्स के थ्रू, जो इट इज लाई बिटवीन इन द मिडिल ऑफ marks comparison for equal instruction. And last, first is limit test, LIM, limit test whether one value is within the limit range of two other values, means you know that limit values, like as in source A source B, limit the values from, you have to out, you have to energize the output in like as 10 and 20 seconds. Actually when you have to give instruction to timer, then our it will be time will be execute, after then your limit instruction is going to true, after energize the output in 10 or 20 between, when from 0 it not output will not energize, when it reach to 10 value then output will be energized, when it goes to 20 then output will be energized, after it goes to 21 then output will be de-energized. सो इंजीनियर्स लिमिट टेस्ट ऐसा होता है कि मान लीजिए आप किसी के थ्रू 10 और 20 के बीच में आपको आपको आउटपुट को इनर्जाइज करना है, ठीक। तो उसके लिए आप 10 और 20 के बीच में आप उसे डाल सकते हैं, ठीक। 10 और 20 के बीच में आप उसे डाल सकते हैं और उसके बीच में 10 और 20 के बीच में वो आपका आउटपुट इनर्जाइज होता रहेगा। सो इंजीनियर्स, I hope you understand what is types of compare block instruction in PLC and what is the function of it, and this is the important point of for you, and it is a short definition of all instruction. So I hope you understand what am I say. Thanks engineer for watching this video. In upcoming video I am discussing about limit instruction. First video on limit instruction. So engineers, you have not to forget to watch this video, and also you have to not subscribe my channel. So let's engineer, please subscribe my channel to motivate me and inspire me. So engineers, Radhe Radhe. I will meet you in the next video.